Hey everyone, welcome back to our science channel, where we explore the most fascinating secrets of the natural world. Today, we are going to uncover a really strange and surprising question. Why do earthworms seem to turn into many worms after being cut? This is one of those curious facts that almost everyone has heard about at some point, but not everyone knows the science behind it. So, let's dive in. Earthworms are small, humble creatures that live quietly under the soil. At first glance, they may not seem all that special, but don't be fooled. Earthworms play an extremely important role in nature. By burrowing through soil, they make it soft, rich, and fertile. Farmers have even called them nature's plows because they keep the ground healthy for plants. And beyond that, earthworms also serve as a vital food source for birds, amphibians, reptiles, and many other animals. Now here's the part that really makes earthworms fascinating: their ability to regenerate. Unlike most animals, if an earthworm's body is cut into pieces, it doesn't necessarily die. Instead, over the course of a few days, the pieces can actually regenerate, growing into multiple complete worms. Imagine cutting one worm and ending up with 2 or more living worms. It almost sounds like science fiction. But for earthworms, this is a natural survival ability. So how does this work? Let's break it down step by step. When an earthworm is cut, the muscles at the wound immediately contract, almost like sealing off the injury. At the same time, the worm's body begins producing new cells to repair the damage. Inside the earthworm, there are undifferentiated cells, kind of like blank cells that can become anything the body needs. These cells rush to the wound site, working together with newly formed tissue to create what scientists call a regeneration bud. Within this bud, something amazing happens. The worm's internal tissues, including parts of the digestive system, the nervous system, and even blood vessels, begin dividing rapidly, multiplying over and over. Slowly but surely, missing body parts are rebuilt. If a segment is missing a head, it grows a brand new head. If it's missing a tail, it grows a new tail. The end result? One worm can actually become several fully formed earthworms, depending on how many pieces it was cut into. This remarkable process is called regeneration. And earthworms aren't the only ones with this ability. Leeches, which are close relatives, can also regenerate in a similar way. In fact, scientists have observed a general rule in biology. The simpler or lower an animal is on the evolutionary scale, the greater its ability to regenerate. That's why creatures like worms, starfish, and salamanders can regrow body parts, while more complex animals like humans can only regenerate on a much smaller scale, like healing skin or repairing small parts of the liver. So, the next time you see an earthworm wriggling in the soil, remember, these little creatures are far tougher and more fascinating than they look. Their survival strategy has allowed them to thrive on Earth for millions of years. And that's the mystery solved. Earthworms can regenerate into multiple worms because of their incredible ability to regrow missing parts through cell division and tissue regeneration. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries about the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.